And when we got home, I told my mother, "Ma, kaya ba kaha na to ni? Ma, kaya ba kaha ko ni?" And my mother said to me, "Paningkamo, panimuha, samtang naa kami ni Papa nimo sa imong kiliran, padayon mi mo suporta para sa imuha, basta makita na mo magapursige ka." And those words serve as my inspiration and motivation to continue and persevere in my studies. Because of that word, I became strong. I finished this course, and I am here in front of you. Many of us today are separated from their parents due to various personal circumstances, often initiated by the needs to work away from home in order to provide for their children. Though our parents may not be physically present with us, their unwavering support and enduring love are ever present. There are also a few of us who lost our parents at unexpected age. Hindi man nila nasaksihan ang kung paano ninyo nalampasan at nakamit ang kinatatayuan ninyo ngayon. Alam nating pinagmamalaki nila kayo kung nasan na sila ngayon. To the cherished guardians who have embodied the roles of second parents, grandparents, aunts, uncles, and siblings, we extend our heartfelt gratitude for your unwavering love and sacrifice that have enabled us to successfully complete this journey. To all the teachers, thank you for being our second parents in this school. We will never forget everything you did to make this success possible. To my mama, papa, manang, ug manong, I extend my deepest gratitude for your steadfast encouragement throughout this journey. Your unwavering support and belief in my abilities have been the cornerstone of my success. I am profoundly appreciative of your sacrifice and enduring love. To all parents and guardians, this achievement is not only for us, but also for you. We would not have been able to achieve all this without your guidance and support. Take this achievement as your honor and gratitude for lending your strength and pushing us to continue our dreams. Thank you for the tireless support, understanding, and love you gave us. All this thank you will never be enough to show how grateful we are. Daghang salamat sa tanang ginikanan o mga gikonsiderar na namo na ikaduhang ginikanan. Naaniya karon, salamat sa pagsakripisyo o pag-iya para maabot namo ni tanan.